focus now and talk about the first week of the monsoon session. That has now come to an end. Both houses of the parliament that functioned barely for 10 hours in total. And amid disruptions, the Lok Sabha Speaker held a peace meeting with senior leaders across party lines on Friday afternoon. And an assurance was given that the House will function smoothly from Monday onwards. But exactly at 2:15 p.m., right after this meeting, chaos was back. The opposition reignited protests over the special intensive revision, the exercise in Bihar, forcing yet another adjournment. Now, an exasperated chair then sent out a terse message to the legislators, especially in the wake of all the work that seems to be now stalled in the first week of the parliament.
सदन में क्या हो रहा है? ये सदन में व्यवधान उत्पन्न करना या अनुचित है? देश की जनता का हक है। ये कि सदन में क्या हो रहा है? आप अपने संसद कल सैटरडे संडे आप जाएंगे, आप शनिवार रविवार को आजादी जाएंगे, अपने क्षेत्र की जनता से पूछिएगा कि क्या वो चाहते हैं। वो सदन में आपको हंगामा करते देखना चाहते हैं या सदन में आपको जनता के दुख और तकलीफों के बारे में सदन में आप चर्चा करें, इसकी अपेक्षा रखना चाहते हैं।
Now, from dins to dustbins, the India Bloc disruption laundry list has been followed to a letter. As far as when it comes to the dramatic photo op protest, the opposition MPs, including Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, tore up posters labelled SIR and flung them into the trash bin. Now, the protest found support from the other bloc parties as well when it comes to Stalin alleging that it is being misused to quietly erase voters from disadvantaged and dissenting communities, tilting the balance in favour of the BJP. Priyanka Gandhi also accused the EC of being opaque and not transparent.
Provide us with what we're asking for. Why are they not providing voters lists? It should be a transparent, it's a democracy. All political parties should have access to that information. So why is it not being provided?
ये बीजेपी के पास कोई मशीन है, ये आधार तुरंत बना देते हैं 5 मिनट में। ये बीजेपी वालों में कोई मशीन है कि वोट जिस दिन पड़ता है उस दिन मशीन से ये आधार कार्ड बना लेते हैं। ये जो प्लास्टिक का कार्ड है आधार वाला, ये बीजेपी से बना लेते हैं, बीजेपी मशीन है इसकी। तो हम चाहते हैं मेटल का कार्ड बने, इसलिए हमारा यह है मानना कि बाइकआउट नहीं होना है, हम सब लोग मिलकर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराएंगे।
23 जुलाई को अनट्रेसेबल वोटर्स के नंबर 11,500 से 1 लाख बन गया। मतलब 24 घंटा में 80,500 ऐड हो गया। भाई साहब, आपका जो बॉर्डर है वो तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स देखता है। इन्फिल्ट्रेशन का जिम्मेवारी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स है। होम मिनिस्टर को रिजाइन करना चाहिए। अगर होम मिनिस्ट्री ये कहना चाहती है कि 56 लाख पीपल बिहार में इलीगल्स है, फॉरेनर्स है, सिटीजन्स नहीं है, तो ये आए कहाँ से? तो आप बॉर्डर पर क्या कर रहे हैं? आप इस्तीफा दे दो।
Well, Tetri, that's the point. All the opposition leaders seems to be outside the parliament raising the questions. What happens to them inside the parliament?
Well, absolutely. You know, it's more than a week now. We'll have to see what happens in the upcoming week. Will the parliament continue, or there will be continuous repeated adjournment motion as we saw in the past as well? That how there was continuous ruckus in the parliament, sloganeering was there. Not just that, but then also placards were bought despite the fact that, the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Rajya Sabha Chairman and then the Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman kept on appealing, kept on requesting and warning as well that this is not the way how a parliament function. Let the parliament function. Remember that Parliament Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju had also multiple times mentioned that the government is ready to give all the answers, but let the discussion happen first. But the opposition seems to quite adamant on the fact that they want discussion first on the SIR. But remember that whenever the parliament begins, the first hour is about the question hour where the questions about the people's welfare, about their own constituency and holding the government accountable, such kind of questions are kept forward. But the opposition seems that they do. It seems like opposition do not require a discussion on that. Their main agenda is to discuss on the SIR, and they say that government is not willing to have a discussion on SIR. They believe that it's been deliberately done to, rig the Bihar Assembly elections. That was also a big charge that came from Rahul Gandhi. Not just that, but Tejasvi Yadav also in fact threatened about boycotting the elections if the SR continued in the similar pattern that it's been continued. And remember that 30th September is the last date when the final electoral list will be out, when it will be finalized, that who all are the eligible voters, who are the added voters, who are the deleted voters. And recently also, Amita, you know, there were a number of voters, if we talk about digits as well, then approximately...
Well, all
you know,
those questions that are now being put forth by the opposition there, because outside the parliament they seem to be holding symbolic protests, they seem to be raising those questions. What happens to the safe parliamentarians inside the parliament, when the government says they are ready for debate and discussion? There is nothing but din and protest that is witnessed the entire week of the monsoon session of parliament. Hardly any business. It has not functioned smoothly, and it has been a washout. However, on part of the government side as well, we'll play out reactions. But as far as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who was claiming that the EC was lacking transparency and was not providing political parties with the voter list, was actually fact-checked by the EC itself. The poll body says that the electoral rolls are prepared transparently and copies were shared with recognized parties, including the Congress. Now, the BJP is asking, if the opposition bloc has no respect for a constitutional process, then do they have any business in being in the parliament after all?
और इनको जब हारते हैं सबके ऊपर डाउट आता है, ईवीएम पे डाउट आता है, इलेक्शन कमीशन पे डाउट आता है। और परसों इन्होंने कर्नाटक के एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के बारे में, लोकसभा के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के बारे में बात किया है। मेरा प्रश्न है, 23 में ठीक था क्या? 23 में आप में जीत गए ना?
Now, more parties from the opposition side are extending their support to the Congress in its fight against the